It's going to be Halloween themed because it's Halloween. And so what this is going to be is examples of people who are literally finding things that are going viral, right? Because Halloween, obviously, people are searching for Halloween stuff today and through all of October, really. And so these are the people that really do their research and say, okay, this is going to get views at this current moment. And that's the people that are successful on YouTube. If you're always doing your research, you're always finding things that are going to be hot in that moment, okay? Not stuff that was hot 2 years ago, stuff that's hot right now. So if you go in, and I just typed in Halloween, and what I did, if you see here, this right here has ads on it, and all it is literally TikTok's compilations that they put together of Halloween stuff, and it has ads on it, and it's just different Halloween TikToks that they put together, and they have ads on them as well. So they're getting paid for this, and as you can see, they were able to, they literally posted this yesterday, guys. It already has 267,000 views in one day. So this shows you, you know, these people said, hey, I'm going to rank a video, and they only have 28,000 subs, which is not very many, but they said, you know what, I'm going to rank a video for Halloween on Halloween. And that was a perfect idea, and as you can see, it's paying off 267,000 views. All this is a compilation of different stuff from Halloween from TikTok. Great idea there, guys. That could have been you. You easily could have done the same exact thing that they just did. And they did that by doing their research, thinking about, you know, what kind of things are going to be hot right now on YouTube and taking advantage of it. Here's another one. Top 5 creative Halloween costumes, okay? As you can see, look at this. This has ads as well. And it's super, super easy. Because all they did was take videos of different costumes, basically. Like crazy costumes. And they just found these on YouTube and then put them together. Downloaded them, put them together into a compilation, which I teach you exactly how to do inside my courses, right? And so this is another really easy thing that you can do. You just find the videos and you put them together. Super easy. Here's another one. It does the same exact thing. This one has 5 million views. And as you can see, they posted a year ago on October 29th. It's a very easy formula, guys. It's just getting on YouTube and thinking, you know, what kind of things are going to go viral or be popular or be things that people are currently discussing, currently thinking about, and then make a video out of it. This one, again, has ads, and it's really, really easy. Now, this one, he did a little bit of commentary on, right? So he just said, like, number 10, it's Halloween season, and here are the 10 best costumes. Look at this costume. And then that's all they did. It's really easy to do that. And again, he just found these videos from YouTube, put them together, and then put his voice over it, and then kind of panned some different, you know, pictures, and then panned them and zoomed in on them using the editor, which, again, I teach you how to do inside the course. Really easy to do. And as you can see, you know, it got a ton of views because he did it during Halloween time. Very easy to do. Here's another one that's a really good idea. And so this guy, all he did was, if you see here, this guy only has 10,000 subs, okay? But he got over 500,000 views on this video. And look at this. He posted on October 22nd of last year. He got 550,000 views on this. He only has 10,000 subs. He has ads on it as well. And so, as you can see right there, he has ads. And all he did was walk down. He just walked down and then recorded himself going to this place in New Orleans that had really good Halloween decorations. And all he did was say, the best Halloween decorated house ever. It's not even his house or anything. He literally just walked down the street, turned his camera on, and then the thing he did was he posted it during Halloween. He called it the best Halloween decorated house ever. So he clickbaited it well. And because of that, you know, he was able to get a ton of views even without any subs. And again, this could have been you. If you would have walked down the street, picked the best house that you could find in your neighborhood or whatever. And it's that easy to do it, guys. It's that easy to do these sort of things. It literally just takes some research, some thinking about, you know, what would make people click. And then all he did was walk down to a house that had good decorations on it and literally recorded it. I mean, this is not a well-edited video or anything like that. There's nothing special about it. He literally just recorded it and then showed himself walking down and then recording it. And so he was able to get, you know, 500,000 views on this video in a year. And so, you know, that's as easy as this stuff can be. You literally just have to think about what is popular right now at the current time, like Halloween, top 10, and then you can literally scroll through here, top 10 songs, top 10 movies. How easy would that be to make? I mean, I'm just doing this on my own here, but like, you know, you could take some small little top 10 where you kind of, you know, show some of the clips and then talk a little bit over the videos or whatever. So these things are really easy to make, guys. It just comes down to thinking and, you know, coming up with different ideas. So those were 3 different ideas. There was the guys who kind of narrated top 10s. There was another one that just you literally showed pictures of the top 10 costumes without talking at all. Then there was a guy who walked down the street and literally just turned his phone on and recorded a house that had really good decorations. All 3 of those did very, very well because they posted them around Halloween. And there isn't as many Halloween videos because it's kind of something that people only make around Halloween. So there's not as much competition on it, but yet it's a thing that in that final week or that month of October, everybody's searching for. And that's what you always need to be doing, is researching different topics that are getting a ton of views at a current moment and being one of the first ones to post something about it, doing it in the right way with the right tags, right thumbnails, right titles, all of those sort of things that are going to help people actually find those videos. So there's another opportunity there. It's probably too late now. You could, if you have them onto the channel right now, hurry up and throw a Halloween video up. But, you know, that's the kind of things you want to do if you want to be successful on YouTube. So hopefully that helps you guys out, gives you guys some more ideas to be thinking about. So when Thanksgiving comes or when Black Friday comes, make a top 10 about something to do with that. The best sales of Black Friday, the best sales. And then on top of that, you can also do affiliate links, right? So when Black Friday comes, you could do, you know, top 10 Black Friday sales. And then you could actually have affiliate links in the descriptions after you make your video for whatever you're talking about with the Black Friday sales. Same thing with Christmas and all of that sort of stuff. Top 10 decorated Christmas houses, right? You could find pictures of top 10 Christmas decorated houses, make a small little video compilation about that. All those things are coming to play, and they're going to help you grow your channel, because if you're trying to get monetized, you know, you could literally make a video like that and get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subs in just one video. If you're already monetized, obviously you're going to be making monetized revenue off of that. You could get a couple million views really quickly doing something like that. It all comes down to research. So hopefully that